Hello everyone, I am Madhuri Goswami from Tufanganj Mahavidyalaya, 4th semester BSc Botany Honours. Today I am going to discuss about protein. Proteins are molecular machines, building blocks and arms of a living cell. Their major and almost sole function is enzymatic catalysis of chemical conversions in and around the cell. Proteins are polymers. They are built up by amino acids that are linked into a peptide chain. The chain consists of chemically regular backbone from which various side chains such as R1, R2, R3, etc. Amino acids. Amino acids are the basic structural constituents of naturally occurring proteins. They all consist of amino group, a carboxylate group, a hydrogen atom, and a substituent group are called side chain, bounded to a central carbon atom. There are 20 standard amino acids. Classification of amino acids by R group. The amino acids are classified into 5 main classes based on the properties of their R groups. These are nonpolar aliphatic R group, aromatic R group, polar uncharged R group, positively charged R group, and negatively charged R group. There are 20 different types of amino acids. Nonpolar aliphatic R group: glycine, alanine, proline, valine, leucine, isoleucine, and methionine. Aromatic R group: phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan. Polar uncharged R group: serine, threonine, cysteine, asparagine, and glutamine. Positively charged R group: lysine, arginine, and histidine. Negatively charged R group: aspartate and glutamate. Structural organization of proteins. The structural and functional features of proteins and protein complexes are addressed at 4 levels of hierarchical organization. These are primary structure or 1 degree structure, secondary structure or 2 degree structure, tertiary structure or 3 degree structure, and quaternary structure or 4 degree structure. The primary structure of proteins. The sequence of amino acids in a polypeptide chain is called a primary structure. Amino acids are linked with one another through peptide bonds. This is the primary structure of proteins. The secondary structure of proteins. Peptide chains may acquire spiral shape or may be present in a zigzag manner. The coiling of peptide chains is called the secondary structure of proteins. It is due to hydrogen bonding. This is the secondary structure of proteins. The tertiary structure of protein. Twisting or folding of polypeptide chains represents tertiary structure of proteins. The quaternary structure of protein. Quaternary means 4. This is the arrangement of multiple folded protein or coiling protein molecules in an multiple subunit complex. A variety of bonding interactions including hydrogen bonding, salt bridges, and disulfide bonds holds the various chain into a particular geometry. This is the quaternary structure of proteins. Importance of proteins. Proteins play an important role in formation of protoplasm. Nucleoproteins are complex proteins and act as carrier of hereditary materials from one generation to another. Enzymes are the biological catalyst and they are also proteins. Hemoglobin is a protein. It acts as oxygen carrier, etc. Thank you for watching.